Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys some lovely rose decor that I'm doing. You know, spring is coming. Want to spruce up for spring. And I love flowers. And the flowers that I'll be using today are from a company called Banggood. Yeah, I ordered some flowers from them. And so I'm going to share the decor that I do with them with you. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, I got this vase here from the Dollar Tree. And I got this one from the Dollar Tree. This is so super cute. Isn't this nice? And I'll be using this one that I did from before. And I have this lovely cup with the letter A on it. And these are the flowers that I got from Banggood. Nice flower arrangements. And I have these stickers here from Dollarama. And I have these ones here from Dollar Tree. And we have our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start by decorating this vase with this lovely bling that we have from the Dollar Tree. And they come in strips. And we're just going to glue them following the pattern that's on this vase going all the way around. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. I'll admit, all the money that came and changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change all love. And now we're just going to put some extra bling going around the bottom of the vase. Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me, and now for the smaller vase, we're going to use this and just put the strips going up and down all the way around. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. But when I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. And here we are with our containers. That vase like that, this one like that, and this one I had from before, and our cup that we'll be decorating also. So now we're going to start by placing the flowers into each of the containers. Look at these lovely blue flowers, you guys. They are so nice. And the bottom of them is flexible, so you can just fold them over and put them into whatever container you want. Or you can leave them straight, you know, and then just arrange them. They look so lovely. And we'll be using these pinonis from Banggood too. Oh, they are so nice. Just arrange them out. Doesn't that look nice? I love how these flowers are. They are so pretty. And now for our blinged out vase, we're putting these bunch of flowers. I just love these flowers from Banggood. And they feel so nice. They're nice and soft, you guys. Oh, absolutely beautiful. And now for our next one, we're putting these pinonis in them. I don't think I'm pronouncing it right, but you know what I mean. I think they look elegant and lovely. And here's our finished look, you guys. OMG. I'm ready for spring. They look so lovely. I love the way they look. Spring is in the air. I'm hoping it comes really soon. And you know, this is getting me a heads up on it. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys can see how lovely these artificial flowers look from Banggood. They look so nice. And like I said, they're really soft to the touch.
and very nice. I really, really like them. I'm going to leave a link below to Banggood so you guys can go over and check them out. And they have other colors, other arrangements, all on their site, and you can check them out and pick them out and get some for yourself. Because, hey, ladies, spring is coming. Yes, it is. And I just love decorating with flowers.
Cause now it's a different love. I'm a double better love.
I think flowers gives our home a nice added touch of warmth, and it just makes it so inviting and nice. And you can place them anywhere in your home that you like. Flowers are really nice. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And I hope I've inspired you with some lovely floral arrangements for the spring. And remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.
Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. You beside me. You beside me. Yeah. You beside me. Beside me.